a very dark night, but we are blessed with moonlight, and here's the campfire burning, and Freddy's preparing some dinner for us. Let's see what he's up to.
Acha, like this? You want to put pepper on this?
Put it there.
And squeeze the lime on this also?
Squeeze it, be nice. And put it inside. Nice setting. Campfire out and light inside.
Alright. Best food while camping is vegetables, guys. So now what we have is potatoes and then corn. Took 2 sets of corn and 8 potatoes. That's our dinner. We'll sprinkle some salt and pepper. Small ladle.
Oh, beautiful.
See, these eggs are cracked already. So we gotta cook this first or it gets spoiled. And these things we can keep it for breakfast morning.
Perfect.
It's very handy. You know, guys, this is a mix of salt and pepper together. So yeah, so you don't have to worry about some salt. That's it. Ready. How's that setup, guys? Some nice country music. Bonfire. Food is ready. Getting ready. Alright, guys, this is the first set of corn ready. Let's see it. And potatoes, like only 3 we got it ready, rest all got burnt up. Meanwhile, the problem is, you know, we can hear something is moving in the bushes. It's a heavy sound, I think it's elephant. So we gotta be careful. Crazy? Try this corn. How's it? Nice.
Beautiful.
Perfect.
Damn good.
We don't know what's an elephant or what. We're hungry. We gotta fill our stomach. Guys, you know what? I don't think so. It's gonna be a peaceful night. This animal is not leaving. I don't know what is this. It's an elephant or a bison. What? Oh God, what's that? I heard something there. The sound is coming from every direction. Oh, crazy. The smoke is good, man.
Yeah, you could let it smoke like this. We need this smoke on this tent. This is very essential. We had the fire burning, it was blazing before this, but we have to, we had to put it down because we let it smoke so that the animal will know that, okay, the smoke smell will travel down and they'll know that there's someone staying here. So sometimes, like this is a small tip, like sometimes you need to put off the fire and let the wild animals know that humans are here.
Oh, beautiful. Check this out, guys. The smoke is spreading everywhere. You see the way Crazy set up this fire is like put everywhere, all angles, and then it's smoky in the center and the smoke just goes up straight and then spreads everywhere. Crazy, show that side. You can see the light beam, the smoke is spreading everywhere.
Looks like mist.
Look like mist, like, yeah. And on this side also. And this side is pretty less, but you see That side it's, and that side is the animal actually. Smoke is going everywhere. That's our dinner. Nicely baked corn and potatoes. I don't know, man, this sound, I don't know what's the scene like. What, crazy?
Yeah, I think it's still an elephant.
It's still, I think it's an elephant, but then I think it's almost 2 hours we are fighting with that sound. I don't know. But we are hungry now, so this is our dinner. So let's see what's going to happen tonight. Oh, shit. Guys, it's morning 2 o'clock. There's something coming up. It's disturbing us. We're trying to sleep. But no way. We are trying to chase it. It's not going away also. I don't know, what is it? Oh shit, oh shit. Crazy, it's elephant. No, it's elephant. It's coming up. It's down. Come. Come here. Oh, it's there. It's standing there. Crazy, blaze the fire. Shit, it's down. It's down there. Hey, it's coming up.
We need more wood.
Fuck. Guys, the elephant is up here. It's a single elephant. We get the bike here. The bike is there. And we put fire. There's no door. Oh shit. Blaze the fire up. Oh god. Oh god. Guys, check this out. Dude, what is this, crazy?
This is what they use for weddings.
Wedding, something.
Uses as decoration.
It's a plant. We put that and put one broken chair to cover this doorways. And then fire is there outside. And before the fire, there's my bike there standing. With 3 hindrances. So if any animal comes, they have to cross all the street to come to us inside. I hope this door stands. Oh, crazy. Very good morning, guys. It's very cold morning and elephant is still down there making noise. We had a very bad night. We slept here only, so Crazy didn't sleep properly last night, so it's a very cold night. Yeah. Alright guys, we're almost done packing this place. We had a very bad night, sleepless night actually, because this elephant was killing us. But we managed to get some 2 or 3 hours sleep. Now we're packing up. All the vessels are here. We have to wash it in the spring on the way. We're going up to our land again and see what they are doing there, and then talk some details and then push off back home. That's the end of our trek. my god, in some places it's very steep, so the bike is not performing well. So I have to walk. Back to the spring to wash the utensils, and then go back home clean. Washing is done, all our utensils are getting dried. After this, I'll load up the bike again, go up and finish up our work. People have started working here, started cleaning process here. See, the locals have done the prayers, the local prayers here, and then they started cleaning our land. So this patch of tea tea plantation, they'll start cleaning within the next 5 days, and they'll start cleaning the weeds and then apply manure, and then it'll look like a proper tea plantation, not like this fern plantation. But then, yeah, it's waiting for a good yield. So these are the workers. We're going to start cleaning this place. So he's sharpening his knife. Okay guys, first harvest like crazy boy.
First harvest.
So much orange, fresh oranges from our farm. Alright, date off. Guys, if you all want, let us know. We'll send a free. There's so much of oranges here. It's fun. Let's try one, man. Take it. First you taste like.
Trial with me, yeah?
Let me see your facial reaction. Oh.
Too sharp.
So? It's only for pickle. See, they started to clean this area, and you can see the tea plant coming up, and all the weeds are getting cut. Okay, now you can start seeing the tea plantation. We cleaned all this place, it's neat, and now they are doing up this place. So this is the tea plant. Idha poripangala? So this is the tea.
A class.
A class. So this is
B class and
okay.
A class rate
இது இந்த மாதிரி ஓகே. அப்புறம் இது வந்து செகண்ட் கிளாஸ்ல வருமா?
இது கொஞ்சம் பெருசா வரணும். அது செகண்ட் கிளாஸ் போடுவாங்க. மூணு பிரிவா பிரிப்பாங்க.
Okay. So basically what they're saying is there are 3 classes. This is A class, and then the leaves is little big, and B class and C class. I don't know. It's good to learn cultivation. So the plantation goes from here and it goes behind there on top also. You know, suddenly the feel is really good. Like you've been doing computer job for so many days, and then suddenly you own a land, and then you're doing tea cultivation and learning everything, even from scratch. Like the way the guy's chopping the leaves, the weeds, and everything is something new for me. Hopefully, do some good cultivation this year. Yeah, that's it for this See, this is coffee seed. So basically they're plucking it. There's only 4 plants here in this. So got to pluck it, dry it, and then grind it to get fresh coffee. Alright guys, that's the end of our vlog. So basically, yes, we came for a small trip and then to start a business, small business. We bought a land and then cultivation. Yeah, we started to clean there. So it's like we invested and the price there are more. So they get benefit and we watch it. Let's see how it goes. So the next vlog will show you how the team plan is done, what is the harvest and all these things. Good day. Unplanned factors. Signing off. Oh my god, be careful.